Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn off replacing swipe with a tap function in our Samsung Galaxy S22. So where to look for this option and how to turn it off. We need to go to settings, then we are looking for accessibility options here, next interaction and dexterity, and here we have our assistant menu. And here we have our function, replace swipe with single tap. So what does it exactly do? As you can see from explanation here, we respond to alarms, alerts and incoming calls by tapping instead of swiping the screen. So we can turn off it right here. No need to save, our settings are now saved. We can safely go back to our home screen. That's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.